The Auto Man here. Today we're talking about catalytic converters. Now unfortunately the converter gets blamed for a lot of things when it may not be its fault. Often we hear from folks, I just need a catalytic converter, my vehicle failed smog. Sometimes nothing could be further from the truth. So today we're going to talk a little bit about this. Number one, three-way catalysts are the most common, and there's different types. There's actually factory-style catalysts that can be installed on a vehicle. They just bolt in, replaced without a problem. And then for other vehicles, a much cheaper alternative sometimes is what we call a weld-in catalyst, where we can actually cut out the factory catalyst and install it properly. These catalysts are required to be replaced by the engine family number, and they must be legal in the state of California to be put on your vehicle. But before we get to all that, I think we should discuss the fact of actually testing a catalyst and how it's done. There are several different tests that we run to verify if a catalyst has actually failed, because sometimes there can be sensors such as a mass airflow sensor, oxygen or air fuel ratio sensors, or even just air leaks in the exhaust system causing a problem. The most important part is to have your vehicle diagnosed by somebody that's qualified to determine, has the catalyst failed, is it failing, or should it be replaced? I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.